In this video we're going to add a halving joint assembly. So I'm going to select the inner volume of the cabinet. I'm going to add a normal upright, just one, and keeping that selected so it's green, we've got the halving joint icon in the toolbar. Click that, and in this case I'm just going to add one division. Click OK, and the shelf has come in with the cutout for the joint applied, and also we've got the cutout in the upright applied. Let's undo those. This time I'm going to add the shelf first, and then the upright as a halving joint division. So it works both ways. The second element that's applied, the halving joint division that's applied, actually comes in as a free division. It's selected here, it shows as a free division in the properties menu, and because it's a free division we can add a slope, this angle parameter here. Let's change that to 20 degrees. So we've got that added flexibility as well. If I go and look in the workshop plans, the halving joint is included there too. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.